Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside DLF Phase 1. This location connects you to the main golf course road, also takes you towards the MG road, and parallelly we are connected with the main Faridabad road. Today, this plot size is 300 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the touring of the house. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal dining section of the property. पूरा का पूरा आप देखेंगे floor के ऊपर you've got the Italian marble on the floor which has a chest design. Towards my left you see the plain wall which has a thick wallpaper. Over the wall you'll see the air conditioning system is by Daikin. This is again, it's going to be the powder room. This is the first bedroom of the house. Maybe we'll show you this little later. This portion has a thick wallpaper on this wall, and this specific area will be collected as the foyer area as well. This is going to act as a foyer area because you're next to the entrance of the door. Now, you've also got the satellite wire which is pre-installed, so you do not have to take the pain to call the dish guy. This specific place, ये जो थोड़ी सी जो जगह है, ये आपका मंदिर के लिए दी हुई है. You can create your own innovation and probably you're good to go. Again, you've got the wallpaper. This is again the air conditioning system by Daikin. This is your surveillance camera. If somebody is coming to your residence, that person probably will be visible to you. Over here, when I talk about the dining space, a table for 12 people can easily be placed because this space is quite a huge, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. You've got a long rectangular shaped ceiling design which has recessed LED strip lights of yellow color. Let's get inside the formal living space and moving further. This is the formal living space of the house. On the left hand side you see this is a thick wallpaper given on the left hand side wall. पूरा का पूरा wallpaper से cover करा हुआ है. बहुत ही clean काम करा है. This is the again air conditioning system by Daikin. You've got the two air conditioning systems inside the formal living space. Italian on the surface. The right wall stays again with the wallpaper, but you can still customize it as per your convenience. You talk about the ceiling. This is flowing waterfall ceiling design which has a grouping in the centers. Above me you see a small fan with yellow color recessed LED strip lights inside it. The same design has been given in the three portions bifurcated. This is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is a mesh, and this is your casement window which is a slider, and you've got a fixed as well. This will help the natural sunlight to flow inside your house. Now this is the balcony space. बहुत अच्छी हवा लग रही है भाई, मज़ा आ रहा है आज शूट करते हुए. I'll ask my cameraman Akib to showcase the surroundings of this location. भाई पहली बार देखा है कि ये कुछ अलग ही चीज़ लगी हुई है पेड़ पे, इतनी हैवी ये नहीं पता कि what exactly is this. So I'll leave this question to my audience. Maybe they'll be able to determine what exactly is this. Now, if I have to cover up the balcony space, you've got a tiling work done in the balcony area. That's your drainage vessel. This is all galvanization done on the metal. This is a metal design. You've got the granite countertop towards the railing. This is a toughened glass by Miko. Now this specific balcony is also connected with the kitchen and the first bedroom of the house, which is this one. That's the chimney का जो एयर पाइप होता है वो दिया हुआ है. ऊपर में आपको APE का पूरा शीट्स दिया हुआ है, कवर करा हुआ है सीलिंग. You've got the ceiling lamps. एक्सटर्नल एयर कंडीशनिंग सिस्टम का आपका प्लेसिंग बिल्कुल राइट पोजीशन है. This location you'll be able to see the Cyber City, which is that one. It's written American Express if I'm not wrong. you'll be able to see much more from here. So this was the formal living space of the house. Quite a beautiful space. Again, you've got the satellite wire pre-installed. This is the dining section. As I stated, table for 12 people can easily be placed. Let's cover up the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling work on the surface. Right wall, you've got a thick wallpaper. That's the air conditioning system placed there by Daikin. Left wall is again, it has a thick wallpaper. यहाँ पर में आप देखेंगे pre-installed satellite wire. You've got the modular switches. This is your wardrobe. This has tiling on the surface. You've got the flowing waterfall design of the ceiling with yellow color recessed LED strip lights. This is the washroom space. A beautiful glass has been given here. You've got a curve shape vanity, a white color countertop natural stone which has cabinetries underneath. Very well used. ये पीछे में glass दिया हुआ है, space को बचा लिया यहाँ पर. This is your shower area. That's your rain head on the ceiling. Designer tiles on the walls. Sanitary fittings are all by Grohe. That's your wall mount commode seat by Geberit. And this is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is again a casement window. This is a unique quality stuff which is used here. That's the same balcony, a running balcony. I'll ask my photographer to showcase this once to you. Nothing has changed. You've got the metal design here. That's your tap with the drainage vessel. You've got the textured on the walls. That was your first bedroom of the house. Let's cover up the second one. That's again the cabling done. This is the second bedroom of the house. This has tiling work on the surface. Again, the theme of the wallpaper inside the complete house stays uniform. This is again a same quality thick wallpaper. That's the air conditioning system by Daikin. You've got the ceiling design which has a grouping added to it. It's a rectangular ceiling design, a centered position in the center. This also has a closet here. This is also connected with the washroom space. You've got a round bowl-shaped vanity followed by a beautiful glass mirror. That's your wall-mounted commode seat. Sanitary fittings are by Geberit and it's by Grohe and Kohler as well, mixed. This is your showers area. You've got the rain head. Sanitary fittings अच्छी दिया हुआ है. पूरा का पूरा natural stone Italian लगाया हुआ है. This is again a complete natural stone placed inside your washroom. पूरा का पूरा पत्थर का काम करा हुआ है यहाँ पर. That's your exhaust fan. You've got the cabinetries down here. This is also connected with the backside balcony. Now before we enter inside the back balcony, you've got the same casement window. That's your mesh. And this is a fixed glass given to you on standby. This is the backside of the house. This DLF Qutub Plaza is visible to you. That's the surrounding. पूरा का पूरा उधर भी दिखा दीजिए एक बारी. That's your golf course road. That's the New Horizon Tower that you see. You are also visible to the properties such as Magnolias, and that's your global foyer where the Mercedes showroom is there. Now, this has a metal design at the back of the railing. This is the galvanization done. Externals are placed in a well-disciplined way. Tiling on the surface. This is all textured. A different quality texture is this. You've got the water vessel, you've got the drainage vessel there. That's your tap. There as well, you've got the tap again, this way. Let's get inside to the third bedroom of the house. Before we get inside the third bedroom, this is a thick quality wooden door. That's your hallway area. This is the third bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling work on the surface, that's your closet section. On the ceiling, you see on the corners, the grouping has been done in the centered position. You've got a small design. This is the air conditioning system by Daikin. And this is again a unique thick wallpaper given on the walls. This is your washroom space. A beautiful long glass, a bowl-shaped vanity by Kohler. That's a natural stone. Got three cabinetries down here. A wall-mounted commode seat. Exhaust fan by Orient. This is your glass channel. Ceiling shower head. You've got the sanitary fittings by Grohe. And you've got the one level above the surface so the water doesn't flow to this side. Stays to be the dry area. And you've got the stonework on the surface and you've got the stonework on the walls as well. All Italian. Now, this is also connected with the balcony space at the back side. This is the same balcony which you'll be sharing with the second bedroom as we have showed you before. Nothing much to showcase here. Let's get inside to the hallway area. This is my hallway region. This is the fourth bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling work on the surface. That's your all closet section. I might want to help you open this. This is your closet. Again, this is another space. This is again a space for your closet. That's again the same space. So, uniform thick wallpaper as we've shown you in the other rooms. You've got a square shaped ceiling design on the roof. Yellow color recessed LED strip lights. And you've got a fan above me by Havells. Air conditioning system is by Daikin. This specific room is also connected with the powder room as well, which you'll be using in common. Now, this is a vanity, a beautiful, a different kind of a style shaped vanity, which is little curve and a shape of a bowl, is it? That's your granite, that's a natural stone countertop. You've got the cabinetries down here. That's your wall mounted seat. You've got a glass work here as well. Either mein glass diya hua, long running glass at the back side of the door. This is again hair glass, but you've got 1, 2, that's you see, and the third one is going to be here. Ye to kisi dresser's room se kam nahi hai. This is your shower area. That's your rain head. You've got the designer tiles on the walls, natural stone on the surface. That's your duct. Geyser aapko samne mein diya hua hai, Havells ka. You can close this like this. This is your channel for the dry and the wet area to be maintained. All modular switches. This was the fourth bedroom of the house. A pre-installed satellite wire. Now, this is my hallway. Now let me explain you. If somebody is coming to your home as a visitor, that person will have the access to this powder room, which you commonly share it with the fourth bedroom. You want to consider this as a first one, it's your wish. So this was the washroom that we showed you before. This will act as a powder room. Now, let's cover up the kitchen. Natural stone on the surface. Designer tiles on the walls. This is the place to keep your refrigerator. Hob and chimney by Eleka. This is the space to keep your storage. The grooving system, the cabinetries, the pantry stuff. This is a place where you can keep most of your materials. This is by Inox. That's your transparent toughened glass cabinet. This is again a cabinet storage. A natural stone Italian granite countertop, which is durable and stain free. Again, you've got the tiling work on the wall. This is again a toughened glass cabinet. This is again another space. That's your dual sink. You can rotate the vessel and you're good to go. That's a small geyser given to you, which is a jet geyser. That's the space you can wash your utensils and you can park in here. That's complete storage. This is how it's meant. It's a good quality stainless steel cabinet which is given to you. That's how the spacing is done. This is your hob, your chimney to keep your cutlery. You might want to keep your grains, pepper, salt, maybe whatever stuff. This is also connected with the balcony at the front side. This is the front balcony that we've showed you before. That's again, we are back and we connected with the MX. That's your Belvedere Park there. That's MX. That's the complete Cyber City, a green, serene nature. Early in the morning, you will be able to hear the mesmerizing euphonious sounds of the chirping birds. This was all about the kitchen space. Both sides, you've got a granite countertop slab. That's your modular switches. Now, it's finally time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching me. This was Anupam Gambhir from Stair Experts. If you're looking for a site visit, give us a call on the number listed above and beneath. If you've not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel for more and more videos. If you've not clicked the notification icon, please do that. And if you're looking for a purchase of this specific house, get in touch base with us. We'll get you the direct meeting done. Thank you so very much. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.